everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing FabFitFun. Let's see what we have in here. This is add-ons. This is not the summer box yet. This is add-ons, so let's see what it has in here. If you like all these unboxings and try-ons and fashion and lifestyle videos, please consider subscribe to my channel and also give a big thumbs up to this video. So let's unbox this. Let's open it up and see what it has inside. First item that I see here is a therapeutic. What is this? This is for the feet. So this is a therapeutic restore foot treatment. Ooh, let's open it up and see how it looks like. It is like this. So it is like pads that you put in your feet. I don't know, let me read a little bit. You put this thing in a microwave, grab your favorite book, cup of tea, very good instructions, and turn off the latest, brightest, worthy show. Heat in 2 minutes and you are ready to go. So basically, put this thing in the microwave for 2 minutes, then warm the Paraseal. It's Paraseal, they are so good. Wax with the smoothing coconut lavender oils, absorb for 10 minutes while you relax. So you put this product in the microwave for 2 minutes and then put it on your feet for 10 minutes and then remove and massage oil into your skin and treat yourself again. So that's basically just a treatment for your feet. It's really nice. It says it is size medium and it has 4 treatments on it. So I'm looking for this one because I really like everything that is relaxing and kind of like a spa experience at home. And talking about spa treatments, this is a sponge and those sponges are so nice. I love these sponges. Oh my goodness, they are so beautiful and nice. This basically is a sponge that you leave in your bathroom. This one has a stream, but these sponges are very hard to detach when you grab them. But then when you use in the shower, they can kind of like give you a good scrub in the skin. So you wet it, use it, and then wet it again and squish it very clear, make it clean again and put it back and let it dry. This lasts me for like maybe a month normally, and it says it has 14 washes. So yeah, more or less 30 days. So that's what it lasts me. It's a body wash infused buffer, a sponge. And this one, which fragrance is this one? It smells so good. This will do a very luxurious present for somebody in a budget. You know what I mean? They will be happy to receive this, and it's not too expensive and it's amazing. So let's move on with the next item, and I have a cake. I love this brand. This is so expensive, and getting it from FabFitFun is just a blessing. This is a Wrinkle Barrier. So this is a cream basically. Let me see how it looks like. And it's this guy. It's a hydrator serum. It's 2 in 1. So it's a hydrator and serum. So this sounds very good. I can use it for IM and PM. It says use it twice a day, apply in thin, even layer to the face and neck. So very nice product. Definitely worth what they charge me for it, because K is very expensive. As you see, I taken advantage of the FabFitFun discounts. This is a K product again. This is a goat milk moisturizer. So this is only a moisturizer. This doesn't claim to be a serum too. So this is very similar packaging of the Peter Thomas Roth that I just got. Let's see, what's this? This is like it's a squishy like this. So you press it. Oh my goodness. Let's see if you can pick that up. Ooh, see? Wow, this is so nice. Your product will never get dirty with like your fingers getting inside of it or anything like that. This is a great idea. I love it. Let's see, the consistency is very nice. It's kind of like more gel feeling than actual cream, but it's very nice. It smells weird though. I don't like the smell, but I know it's a good product. K is really good. Now we have here this product from Tulip. This is Tulip Ravioli skincare, and this is a dual phase skin reviving treatment pads. So these are basically treatments for the skin. There are 5 of them, and yeah, this is a really good brand. I actually enjoy their cleanser, which is this one. I got it in FabFitFun. Very happy. I really like their cleanser. And where here are some other products from the same brand. Now we have this product from Belize, and this is a blush. I don't remember getting this one, but let's see how it looks like. I'm very curious. I love blushes. I used to not, now I like them again. I don't know, it's just like a hate and love relationship with blushes. But look at the component of this. This is a very pretty packaging. Let's see how it looks inside. Oh, it's kind of like an ombre blush. So it starts kind of like more orangey and it goes more towards the pink. Let's do a swipe of the entire thing. And it has a little, oh, I have something in my skin already. It has kind of like a shimmery color on it. Let me do it in my other arm because I've been doing a couple of other videos, so my arms are full of stuff. Oh boy, I don't really like it. It's a little bit weird. Maybe if I grab a little less in the skin, in the actual face will look better. But right there in the pan, right here in the swipe, like this, not too much. Let's try in the face. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna get this angle brush and let me see which side I think I could ruin if it ruin it. Okay, let me grab a little bit. Oh my god, it's so powdery. Okay, let me grab again. Let's see. In top of the one that I already have on, it doesn't look too bad. But it's very powdery. I don't really like the, oh man, I don't really like this formula. It's a little bit too much powdery. I think best. Let's just put it that way. Alright guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!